Today I'm going to be talking about wheelchair lap trays and just some of their different functions and uses, as well as pricing of the wheelchair lap trays and where you would be able to purchase one. So there's many different types of lap trays, and you kind of just have to figure out what would work best for your patient, because you could see lap trays that are going to be adjustable, some that are flip up, some that would have a soft top, and some that would just be a half tray. And their uses are mainly just to complete tasks on, as well as they can be used as a restraint. And so the tasks, it could be really anything that they just need to have something to put there right in front of them. So that could be reading or eating, or really just any kind of activity that your patient would want to complete. So this, on the top left, you can see one that's considered a flip-up lap tray, but that also would represent what a half tray would look like. So it's just kind of on one part of the wheelchair, and you'd be able to adjust it to where you could put it up or move it back down easily. And on the top right is one that's going to have a soft top. And then on the bottom, it would be an example of one that's adjustable, because you could raise it and lower it. But there's many different types of wheelchair lap trays that you could find, and it really just kind of depends on what would be most useful for your patient. So I'm going to show you a video of just one specific type of lap tray. As I said, there's so many, and this one can be used as a restraint as well as just a tray. Okay, so that was just one example of a specific lap tray that could be used, and I liked that video because it kind of showed the restraint aspect of a lap tray, and also just using it as a tray that you would use for many different tasks. So the pricing really depends on the type that you're going to purchase, and they can have a wide range of pricing from about $20 to $200 is mostly what I saw. So the Smith & Nephew slide-on adjustable lap tray is just another specific one from a rehab product place, and that one was $173. And then I found another one that was just a basic wheelchair tray, and it was only about $21, and that one was from Target. So they can really be purchased from a wide variety of places, and so like places that sell rehab products like Smith & Nephew or North Coast Medical, but they could also be purchased from more like common stores such as Walmart or Target. And again, this could depend on what your client needs. If they're going to need something that's just for a couple weeks, they might want to purchase it from a place that's more accessible like Walmart, but if it's going to be something they're going to use for quite a long time, they might want to find something that's a little bit more specific to their needs, and that would be good to look at a place that sells rehab products. So just in a short summary, there's many different types of lap trays. Like we said, the adjustable ones that can flip up or ones that can slide away, ones that are just a half tray, ones that have a soft top. There's so many different kinds. And the main functions are to use them as a restraint. So if a patient isn't there cognitively and doesn't know that they can't get up out of their chair, this could be a good way to help with that. And then it's also just a perfect way to be able to complete tasks more easily. And again, the prices can be extremely variable just depending on what type of lap tray you want to purchase. Thanks for listening.